Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Thanks for joining me. Well, today I'm going to share another project using the Spellbinders Small Die of the Month Club Kit. This here is called 24 Karat. It's a 9-piece die set. On the back side of your kit we'll have a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a fantastic project back there. And so we're going to make a project today using this kit. If you're familiar with my channel, you'll know that I created a card already with this kit in the beginning of the month. But today, Spellbinders is having a blog hop celebrating all of their club kits. And so I encourage you guys to head on over there. I'll link the Spellbinders shop down below. It's always great to start at the beginning. But I also leave my blog down below. But there's tons of inspiration using all the Spellbinders club kits, and I encourage you guys to check it out. Now, earlier this month, I had created a project using felt and then this little bunny, and I fell in love with the tall bunny in the die set. And so we're going to create a pretty simple card using that same bunny. And I'm going to use some felt for this card also. I just love this guy. I guess the silhouette in felt gives it texture and also just makes it real Eastery for me. So we're going to bring in some pink, some blue, and some orange felt. Then I have some cardstock pieces. I have whipped cream, I have lemongrass, and I have orange rave. These are my felt pieces. I'm going to go ahead and die cut out my bunny 3 times with each different color. And then we're going to take our cardstock. The orange, we're going to cut out the flowers using the flower die here. The green, where there's a greenery piece here, we're going to die cut out some green leaves. And for the white, we're going to use the sentiment that says "What's up?" and it has a question mark. We're going to die cut that out with white cardstock. This is whipped cream cardstock. And then we're also going to die cut out 3 of the detail pieces for each one of those little bunnies. Aren't they so cute? And when you die cut them out, guys, there is detail on there. Their little hands pop up so you can tuck things underneath them. And then also there's detail pieces for their ears, and then there's a little bunny tail. We're going to add some black cardstock behind the face of each one of our little bunnies. This is going to give their eyes and their little nose a little bit of definition. I'm just using glue to secure that. Once all 3 have black behind them, we're going to go ahead and start with our little blue one here and add our little bunny tail. We're going to stick this little tail to the right or left of this bunny. And then we're going to add a little glue to each one of the ears, and then we'll add the ear pieces. And just little details like this really make a little bunny pop. I just love the outcome. So our blue guy is all done. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing to our pink bunny. Add a little glue to the tail. Put the tail to the left here, and then we'll add the ear pieces for this guy too. And then we'll do the same for the green. So sweet. And for the green, I thought we would put the tail on the right side this guy. We're going to have the blue kind of in the order that you see right now. The blue will be in the middle. And then I want to put the pink bunny to the left here. I guess it's not in the order you see right now. But the pink bunny will be to the left, the green will be to the right. Okay, so this guy's good to go. Okay, now, since their arms lift up, I thought they could be holding a little flower with some greenery. So I'm going to take 2 of the more straighter pieces of leaves, and I'm going to tuck them under the blue one. I'm going to put 1 piece under the left arm, and I'll put the 1 piece under the right arm. And so this way we have greenery sticking out from the left into the right. Since he's in the middle, I thought it'd be a little balanced this way. So that's good to go. And then the die itself will cut out 4 leaves. So you can only just cut it out 1 time. For the green bunny, we're going to add the leaf to the right. And then for the pink, we're going to add the leaf to the left, the same side that their tails are on, basically. And our little cute little bunnies are good to go. Okay, now we have some orange flowers. We're going to add dots of glue to each one of our bunnies' hands, and then we're going to add an orange flower. They're going to be... Now the flower die does die cut out the center of the flowers, but I wanted a little added dimension. So we're going to use some some liquid drops for the center of our flowers. Okay, that's good to go. All we have left is our What's Up sentiment, and we need a background panel. So I'm going to bring in some oatmeal cardstock. I trimmed it down so it's about a 1/2 inch smaller than my card base. And then I'm going to bring in the detail die and the essential rectangles die set, and we're going to add polka dots or dotted detail around our panel here. Once that's good to go, I'm going to go ahead and add foam adhesive behind each one of my little bunnies for a little bit of dimension. We'll add some tape behind the ears, then the body of the bunnies, and then we're going to place them on our panel. Go ahead and add the blue into the middle. We're going to make sure he's centered, and I wanted him higher than the rest of them. Now I suggest with the foam adhesive that you be real careful with the felt, because if you try to remove it, you could tear the felt. So once it's stuck down, it's there for good. There's my green bunny. We're going to add our pink bunny, and we have a little trio. Now if you wanted to put a grassy hill behind there, you could, but and I was so tempted to do that. I tried vellum behind there, but I just like the craft look of that oatmeal cardstock. Okay, I'm going to bring in my glue sponge for my sentiment. It is a little bit of a fine detailed sentiment, and this works fabulous. You just tap it. I kind of tapped it a little too hard and sunk it in, but you just tap it, add a little glue, and then your sentiment is good to go. Before I press it down really good, I wanted to make sure that I had everything centered. So my What's Up sentiment's there. We're going to add foam adhesive behind our panel and place this on an A2 size card base. You can see it leaves a little bit of a border. And all we have to do is dot the center of our flowers. And I'm going to use my Simply White crystal drops here for a little dimension. And that finishes off my card for today, guys. Pretty simple card, but you see in the close-ups how that felt just looks so adorable on cards. I think it makes the perfect Easter card. I encourage you guys to join us for the blog hop. Links are down below. Have a fabulous day, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.